Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Calendly onto Webflow. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and put one of your scheduling events onto one of your pages on Webflow. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Calendly. Next, click on these three dots on the scheduling event, which you want to go ahead and add to your Webflow website. Then click on Add to Website. Now, you have three different ways to actually put Calendly onto your Webflow website. We're going to click on Inline Embed, then click on Continue. And then this is the embed code that you need to paste into the HTML of your Webflow page. So click on copy code, then paste this into the HTML, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and embed Calendly onto Webflow. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.